correlation, right? And we have just seen the definition of regression. Okay, so regression is nothing but the method of estimating the value of one variable when the value of another variable is known and there must be the correlation between two variables. Okay, so the definition says nothing that there must be correlation between x and y, and if the value of x is known, then on the basis of values of x we estimate the values of y. Okay, now we will see, sorry, lines of regression. ठीक आहे, डेफिनेशन लिहून घेतली होती.
हो मॅम.
ठीक आहे, lines of regression. Okay, so lines of regression काय आपण बघू. So the lines of regression is nothing but the line of best fit, the line of best fit. Okay, so what is the line of best fit? Okay, so if we have given the values of x and y, it may be 1 2 3 1 4 3 any. Okay, if we plot the graph of these values of x and y, the points may be anywhere. Okay, so if we draw a straight line passing through the maximum number of points, okay, so this is the straight line, sorry. Okay, so we can draw a line passing through maximum number of points. Okay, this line is nothing but the line of regression. Okay, एवढ्या लक्षात राहील. लाइन ऑफ रिग्रेशन म्हणजे काय, दोन व्हेरिएबल दिलेत आपल्याला, त्याच्या व्हॅल्यू दिलेत, त्याच्यावरून आपण जर ग्राफ काढला तर जास्तीत जास्त पॉइंट कव्हर करणारी स्ट्रेट लाइन म्हणजेच काय असणार आहे, लाइन ऑफ रिग्रेशन. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट द लाइन ऑफ रिग्रेशन, द लाइन ऑफ द बेस्ट fit. Okay, so now we write the line of regression of y on x is denoted by the line of regression of y on x is denoted by y is equal to a plus bx, and the line of regression of x on y, the line of regression of x on y is denoted or is given as x is equal to a plus by. Okay, so this is the line of regression of y on x, and this is the line of regression of x on y. Okay, so here is another note or another statement, that is two lines of regression intersect at the point x bar and y bar. ठीक आहे, आता हे x बार आणि y बार आपण कसं फाइंड करणार आहे, हे जे y इज इक्वल टू आणि x इज इक्वल टू इक्वेशन दिलेत, हे दोन म्हणजेच काय असणार आहे, सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन. दोन सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन फाइंड केल्यावर आपल्याला x आणि y ची जी व्हॅल्यू मिळणार आहे त्यालाच आपण x बार आणि y बार म्हणणार आहे. ठीक आहे, नाउ वी मूव टुवर्ड्स कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ रिग्रेशन. ठीक आहे, सो द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट is coefficient of regression. So write down the coefficient of regression. The coefficient of regression of y on x is denoted by byx, and which is written as byx is equal to summation of xy divided by capital N minus summation of x divided by capital N into summation of y divided by capital N, and the whole term divided by summation of x square divided by capital N minus summation of x divided by capital N bracket square. Okay, and the equation of line of regression of y on x and the equation of line of regression of y on x is given by y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. Okay, now we see the coefficient of regression of x on y. The coefficient of regression of x on y is denoted by bxy, is denoted as bxy and given as bxy is equal to summation of xy divided by capital N minus summation of x divided by capital N into summation of y divided by capital N, and the whole term divided by summation of y square divided by capital N minus summation of y divided by capital N bracket square. Now the equation of line of regression of x on y is given by the equation of line of regression, of x on y is given by x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. So by using these two, these are nothing but the equation of line of regression of y on x and x on y. By using this, we have to calculate the lines of regression, and by using this, we have to find the coefficient of regression. Okay, so write down this.
झालं मॅम.
Okay. So write down this. Then we will see the example.
झालं मॅम.
Okay. So now write down the coefficient of correlation. The coefficient of correlation and the coefficients of regression, the coefficient of correlation and coefficient of regression are are related as small r is equal to square root of bxy into byx. Okay. So if we know the values of coefficient of regression, that is bxy and byx, from these value we can calculate the coefficient of correlation. Okay, just write down this, then we will see the example. Hello, lecture चालू मॅडम. Hello. चलो नेक्स्ट example घ्यायचं.
हो मॅम.
हो मॅम.
ठीक आहे. So write down the example. Find the equations of lines of regression. Find equations of lines of regression and coefficient of correlation and coefficient of correlation from the following data. So we have given the values of x and y, 62, 64, 65, 69, 70, 71, 72, and 74. And the values of y are 126, 125, 139, 145, then 165, sorry, 152, 180, and 208. Okay, so first of all, we have to calculate x square, y square, xy. Okay, so x square, 62 square is 3844, then 4096, 4225, 4761, 4900, 5041, then 5184, and 5476. The values of y square as 126 square is 15876, 15625, 193, 21, 210, 25, 27225, 23104, 32400, 43264, 43264. Now 62 into 126 is 7812, then 8000, then 9035, then 10005, 10005, 11550, then 10792, 12960, 15392. Okay, now we find summation of x, summation of y, summation of x square, summation of y square, summation of xy, capital N, x bar is equal to summation of x divided by capital N, and y bar, which is equal to summation of y divided by capital N. Now summation of x is addition of all the values of x is 547. Summation of y is 1240. Summation of x square is 37527. Summation of y square is 197840. And summation of xy is 85546. And capital N is how many values of x are given? 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now x bar is equal to summation x, that is 547 upon 8, which is equal to 68
375.
Yes, 375, and summation y is 1240 upon 8, which is equal to 15. Yes, very good. So now
155.
yes, now by using the all these value, we first of all we find coefficients of regression, that is byx and bxy. Then we find the lines of regression of x on y and y on x. So first of all we find byx. So coefficients of regression So first of all, we find byx, which is equal to summation of xy divided by capital N minus summation of x divided by capital N into summation of y divided by capital N, and the whole term divided by summation of x square divided by capital N minus summation of x divided by capital N bracket square. Now we put the all the values. So 85546 divided by 8 minus 547 divided by 8 into 1240 divided by 8 divided by summation of x square is 37527. 37527 divided by 8 minus 547 divided by 8 bracket square, which is equal to 95.125 divided by 15.7344. So the first coefficient of regression, that is byx is equal to 6.0457. Now we calculate bxy. So bxy is equal to summation of xy divided by capital N minus summation of x divided by capital N into summation of y divided by capital N whole term divided by summation of y square divided by capital N minus summation of y divided by capital N bracket square. Now we put all the values. So summation of xy is 85546 divided by 8 minus 547 divided by 8 into 1240 divided by 8 divided by summation of y square is 197840 divided by 8 minus 1240 divided by 8 bracket square. After simplifying, we get 95.125 divided by 705. So the value of coefficient of regression bxy is equal to 0.1349. Now by using these two value, we calculate our lines of regression. Okay. So first of all, we calculate the line of regression, the equation of line of regression of y on x. The equation of line of regression, the equation of line of regression of y on x, which is y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. Okay. Now y minus our y bar is 155. byx is 6.0457 into x minus x bar is 68.375. So after simplification, we get y is equal to minus 258.3747 plus 6.0457x. Okay, this is the line of regression of y on x. Now we find the line of regression of x on y. So the equation of line of regression, the equation of line of regression of x on y which is x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. So x minus x bar is 68.375 is equal to bxy is 0.1349 and y minus y bar is 155. So after simplifying, we get x is equal to 47.4655 plus 0.1349 y. आपण इक्वेशन काय लिहिलं तर the equation of line of regression of y on x is y is equal to a plus bx and x is equal to a plus by. आलं ना त्याच्यानुसार y is equal to constant plus constant into x, x is equal to constant plus constant into y. Now we calculate what is the coefficient of correlation by using these value byx and bxy. Okay, so which is equal to now coefficient of correlation. Coefficient of correlation small r is equal to square root of bxy into byx, which is equal to square root of 6.0457 into 0.1349. So small r is equal to 0.9031. This is the coefficient of correlation by using the coefficients of regression. Okay. So example लेन दिए पण अवघड काही नाहीये. ठीक आहे. So write down this. शिंदे सर झालं हे लिहून.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
झालं मॅम.
Okay. Okay. So here we have given the values of x and y, and on the basis of these value we have to find lines of regression of y on x and x on y. So we calculate summation x, summation y, summation x square and all these value. Okay, then we find the coefficient of regression byx and bxy by using this formula. इथं byx फाइंड करताना न्यूमरेटरला फक्त x च्या टर्म आहेत, bxy फाइंड करताना न्यूमरेटरला y च्या टर्म आहेत आणि कोएफिशियंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन करताना स्क्वेअर रूट इंटू स्क्वेअर रूट ही टर्म होती. बट इथं कोएफिशियंट ऑफ रिग्रेशनला स्क्वेअर रूट नाहीये, फक्त इथं x असताना x ची टर्म आहे, शेवटी y असताना इथं y ची टर्म आहे. So by using all these value we calculated byx and bxy, that is the coefficients of regression. Okay, then we found the equation of line of regression of y on x, which is y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar, and the equation of line of regression of x on y, that is x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. So we get these two equations, and at last we found the coefficients of correlation by using the coefficients of regression, which is r is equal to 0.9031. Okay, now MCQ साठी एक point आहे, just here we have given the equations. So the equations of two lines of regression are given. Two lines of regressions are given are, first one is 6y is equal to 5x plus 90, and second one is 15x is equal to 8y plus 130. So we have to find point of intersection of two lines of regression. Point of intersection of two lines of regression. Okay, so how to find the point of intersection of two lines of regression, that is x bar and y bar. So we have to solve these two simultaneous equations. So we can rewrite this equation as 15x minus 8y is equal to 130 minus 5x plus 6y is equal to 90. Give it as equation 1, give it as equation 2. Now multiply equation 2 by 3. So we get 15x minus 8y is equal to 130 minus 15x plus 18y is equal to 270. Okay, आता इथं प्लस साइन आहे, इथं मायनस साइन आहे, दोघांची ऍडिशन केली तर adding the above two equations we get काय मिळणार आहे, दोघांची ऍडिशन केली तर plus 15 minus will get cancelled, so 10y is equal to 400. So y bar is equal to 40. Okay, after solving this simultaneous equation, whatever the values of x and y are getting, we are denoting the values of x and y as x bar and y bar. Now putting the value of y in any equation, so we get put y bar is equal to 40 in any given equation. So we get 15x is equal to 8 into 40 plus 130. So 15x is equal to 320 plus 130. So x bar is equal to 30. So the points of intersection of lines of regressions are x bar and y bar, that is 30 and 40. ठीक आहे, कुठलेही दोन सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन दिले, ते सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन सॉल्व केल्यानंतर x and y च्या काहीतरी व्हॅल्यू मिळणार आहेत, that we are going to denote by x bar and y bar, and which are nothing but the points of intersection of lines of regression. Okay, so write down this. हे इक्वेशन सॉल्व करता येतात ना, सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन?
यस मॅम, 10th मध्ये झालंय.
यस, ओके, ठीक आहे. सो write down this. एक मिनिट हा. ओके, लिहून झालं हे?
येस मॅम.
एमसीक्यू मध्ये विचारू शकतील. कुठलेही दोन इक्वेशन देतील तुम्हाला. इक्वेशन ऑफ लाईन ऑफ रिग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स अँड वाय ऑन वाय अँड वाय ऑन एक्स अँड फाइंड द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ लाईन्स ऑफ रिग्रेशन. ओके, सो ठीक आहे, आपण थांबू इथं. एक्झाम्पल होणार नाही आपलं. 5 मिनिट राहिले. ठीक आहे, मी पण आज खूप बडबड केली. ठीक आहे, थांबू आपण. नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला आपण आणखी लाईन्स ऑफ रिग्रेशन फाइंड करायचे एक्झाम्पल बघूया. ठीक आहे.
ओके मॅम. मॅम ते असाइनमेंट कधीपर्यंत सबमिट करायचं आहे?
सॅटर्डे पर्यंत करा, ह्या वीक मध्ये. ठीक आहे. ठीक आहे, मी ते लक्षात आणलं. मी लिंक सेंड करते तुम्हाला. ओके
ओके मॅम.
ओके मॅम.
ओके, आपण थांबू इथं.
थँक